Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is your Learn, Develop, Live 1 minute of motivation for today. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but you can grab yourself 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one, completely uninterrupted, all about you. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and we can have a chat. But first, here's your quote for today. Smile. Happy looks good on you. Now look at that smile of yours. How do you feel when you're sitting there smiling? Thinking about all the good things you have going for you right now. The smile suits you. It brings out the best in other people as well every time they see it. Where the good vibes and the smiles appear on your face, it can influence others around you. And everyone loves a positive vibe, don't they?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.